So you may be wondering what this is. Or you may have been watching the previous video where I made this stuff, so you're not wondering. But you might wonder why I'm spreading this on top of this wood. So, this is a mixture of clay from down by the river and little teeny tiny fibers from dried horse poo. No, it doesn't smell nearly as bad as it sounds like it smells. Kind of earthy perhaps, but this is like nature's bed liner, nature's pickup bed liner, nature's spackle. Just kind of sticks to everything, and little fibers in it fill these cracks between these boards to give me the tight seal that I need to build a solar food dehydrator out of rough milled wood. So next time you're like, ooh, that's horse poop, think maybe about like, ooh, that's horse poop. Uncle Mud. At least I'm not Uncle Horse Poop. I'll just stick with Uncle Mud.